everyone, I am here with a small haul video from Queen & Company. I have totally loved their shaker stuff. The toppings, all the foam things that you could buy previously before. I still have a bunch of that, but now, recently, they have been doing a lot of these kits, which are super cool. So I'm in the process of collecting the rest of the magic stuff, which is kind of a Disney themed set, if you guys know anything about Queen & Company. So I have one more package coming for that stuff, and then I'm going to do a haul on just the little magic theme sets that they have. This one is their newest one. It's called Fright Fest, and it's all about Halloween stuff. So you can actually make 21 cards with this kit. So it comes with a 6x6 paper pad with 24 double-sided sheets. Then it's got 18 dies. It's got a 4x6 stamp set, 13 toppings, and 21 foam shakers with the acetate covers. So all these shapes. And you can make 21 cards with this. This is fantastic. So I haven't opened it yet. I actually just got this on Saturday. Today's Monday. So, whoops, I knew that was going to happen. I also got the refill kit for the foam things, and then this was a thank you gift that they just started doing. The last two orders I've gotten that I've received have had a sequin mix as a thank you gift. So this one is Halloween colors themed, so you could actually add it to this kit if you really wanted to, but all this stuff is falling out, so I'm just going to take it out this way. And you get this sheet so you can look at some different card samples. They've got the little photo here, and then there's a bigger photo that they've enlarged so you can see just some samples of what they've done to it. Then here's the stamp set, and it's got a ton of really cool Halloween phrases, which I don't have a ton of, so I'm super excited about these. I've got Halloween stamps, but not a lot of Halloween sentiments, so that's pretty cool. This is the sheet of dies that it comes with. So there's that. These are really good size. And then you can use these for whatever else too. Even if the elements from your kit run out, you've got the dies and stamps to use elsewhere. So this is the Fright Fest paper pad. There's 12 styles and there's 4 of each. Double-sided papers. I did not bring anything in here to open this. So let's see if we can get this open. And check out these papers. So let's see. Double-sided. So they're really bright Halloween colors. Pretty cool. Then they repeat again. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 6 designs. 6 designs, 4 each of 6 designs. So there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then it starts all over. So pretty cool. And then, like I said, you've got all these foam pieces and shapes. So there's a cauldron, there's a witch's boot, that's for the boot, this is for the web. You've got the circle and the coffin. And then these are all the acetate pieces that go with those. And these are all of the toppings that are available. So we've got pumpkins. Actually, it might be easier to show you here. So pumpkins, these are some like purple bats, black bats. These have cats. These are some spider webs, and then these look like little mummy. Nope, these are ghosts. So these are some of the toppings. And then these ones are a mixture of sequins and looks like some flat rhinestones, flatback rhinestones. So we'll go ahead and open this one and check it out. So some black rhinestones, some purple stars, some kind of orange iridescent rhinestones, and some really fluorescent moon. So here's the moon shapes. So these are all sequins, the stars are sequins, and then there's some rhinestones here. So those come with it as well. And then like I said, this is the foam and acetate sheet refill set for it. You do make 21 cards out of this, but you know, I like to not run out. So, and then this is the Halloween sequins. You could toss these in there as well, just to use, because the colors coordinate with all of this stuff. So here's the stamp set again, and then here's the paper pad again. So that is the Queen & Company Fright Fest kit. It is this is the largest kit that they've sold so far. So if you're interested in doing some quick, easy Halloween cards coming up, this would definitely be the way to do it. If you wanted to do shaker cards, this is perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little tiny haul video. And I will be back when I receive the last package for the magic themed stuff that they sell, and I will do a haul on that so you guys can see the different products that they have, and then hopefully I can get some of these cards done and come back with a card share for you guys. So if you have any questions or anything, leave it in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and all that stuff. So I really do appreciate the dedicated viewers I have and commenters. I do have a couple of cards that I have made recently that I'm not posting here. They've already been given out. But if you go to my Instagram page, you can see them, or I do have them posted over on Facebook, and both of those links are in the description below for you. Again, thanks again for watching and subscribing to my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!